Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you what I believe is the best way to trade BTC. Okay, I believe it's the best way to trade Bitcoin. Okay, so if you're a Bitcoin lover, you need to actually watch this video to the end so you do not miss out on the system I'm going to be teaching. Okay, so in my opinion, the best way to trade Bitcoin is using top-down analysis. Okay, that's the best way to trade Bitcoin. If you are not good at top-down analysis and you're trading Bitcoin, I don't know what to say to you, but I believe top-down analysis is very, very important for a pair as BTC USD. Okay, that's my belief. Even if you have other strategies, watching this video and understanding how to do top-down analysis on Bitcoin will also add to your arsenal. So let's get right into it. So how do you do top-down analysis on this pair? You remember, I think about last week I gave a what's it called, a speculation on where price is going to go on Bitcoin, and price went in that direction perfectly. What I used or utilized is top-down analysis. So I want to let you into how I see the pairs when I'm actually doing my top-down analysis. The very first thing you need to do is to start from a daily time frame. Okay, it depending on the kind of trader you are. If you are a position trader, you can start from monthly, but if you want to swing trade, you can start from weekly. Okay, but if you want to day trade, you can start from daily time frame. Okay, so what do you do? Let me get an horizontal line. I think I clicked on something else. Let me delete this horizontal line. Okay, yeah, so right now I'm on the daily time frame. You want to mark out your highs and your lows. Okay, you want to mark out the obvious highs and lows that you can see. That's the very first thing you'll be doing on the daily time frame, which is going to show you the structure that you have in the market currently. Okay, before I proceed, let me tell you the first thing that I think you should actually look out for. Try to understand the nature of the market. You can zoom out a bit like this. Okay, you can zoom out, then scroll to the left to understand the nature of the market. Okay, I've actually checked this chart before, so I know the market is ranging, but let me show you why I said the market is ranging. What do you see taking place around here? Look at this. This is a trending market. Market is just giving us higher high and higher lows. That's before now. Okay, but as I'm moving closer to current data, what do you see happening? This is still uptrend. Then when we go to this point right here, from here, okay, we started seeing market moving within a particular range. Okay, so you can see it's within a range. It's not really pushing in the upwards direction. It's just moving around the particular range. You can see that up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's what we got. So first determine the nature of the market. Are you in a trending market or are you in a ranging market? Okay, so I've answered that question. This is a ranging market for now. Okay, so what are the obvious highs and lows you can see, which stand as our solid support and resistance levels? I've drawn one above at this point, another one here. Okay, make sure the levels you are choosing are levels that actually moved price significantly. As you can see, this level I chose above push price downwards. This level I chose below push price upwards, like that. Then we come to the internal levels. Okay, I have this level right here as a resistance level because price got there and bounced back down. Okay, then from this bottom part, price also pushed back up, so I have a level right there. Let me copy this. I have a level right there. Okay, because price bounced from that. So these are the levels I'm going to be marking. Don't overclutter your charts, just target the major. Okay, I can see one more level that is important. Let me right here, look at this. Is also a resistance level because price reacted from there. Okay, price reacted from that level. Okay, this is the level I'm talking about. Price was pushed down from that level. Okay, so I'm going to be marking it out as a resistance level. Once I'm done with marking out my major resistance and support level on the daily time frame, the next thing I'm going to do is to move down to the H4 time frame. So from daily you go to H4. So on the H4 time frame, you try to understand what price is currently doing, okay, on the H4 time frame. Now, what I see happening here is that on the H4 time frame, you had a mini uptrend. Price was moving as though it wants to move in an upward direction on the H4 time frame. Then you have a mini downtrend right here, okay. So the downtrend was countered, okay, by this bullish impulsive move, but we can't say the downtrend has ended yet. Why? Because the last lower high has not been broken. So these are things you have to look out for. Let me get an horizontal line. Probably I'll make this a different color. Let me make it yellow, or let me just make it red, okay, so I don't waste time looking for yellow. Okay, so this is the most recent swing high, which stands as your what? As your lower high. For us to say structure has been broken or there's a change of character, this high has to be broken and candle has to close above it, okay. So this impulsive move that is trying to counter this mini downtrend we have on our H4 time frame, it has not closed above it, so it is still a downtrend. It only wicked above it, probably taking liquidity. Then right now I have a candle, flipping bearish, okay. After taking the liquidity above that level, it flipped bearish, so it has to close above this level, okay. The candle has to close above this level for us to say there's a change of character and we'll be looking for opportunities to actually buy in the market. So for now, we are not looking for opportunities to buy. This is still a downtrend and we'll be looking for opportunity to sell. All we just need is extra confluence as we step down into lower time frames, okay. So for those asking or that might be thinking, why did I call this a lower high? Look at this. Price pushed down aggressively, then pushed up a bit, then push down aggressively, breaking this structure. Definitely this is going to be your LH. This is a lower high, while it's an LL, a lower low. So you still need to remember your basic market structure arrangements, okay. So for you to switch from a downtrend to an uptrend, a lower high has to be broken and the candle that breaks it has to close beyond it. Then you can say there's a chalk, there's a change of character and you're looking to buy. So all right, we have completed our analysis on the H4 time frame and we can see that price is not yet ready to push in the upward direction. So we go to H1 time frame. So on the H1 time frame, it becomes more clear that price wants to move down. In the meantime, the intention of the market is a downwards movement. How far down is going to move, we are not certain yet. We just need to look at positions of liquidity that price could want to go to in its downward direction. This is one right here. I can see a supply zone sitting down here. This could be where price wants to come to, okay, before it could probably start moving in the upward direction. So top down analysis is so sweet to the it's sweet to the point that you have to apply all the knowledge you have. Every knowledge you have counts when you are doing top down analysis, okay. So if I did not know that this is a supply zone, I might not really know where price would want to go to, okay. So there's a possibility, very high possibility, we are speculating that price would want to come here, okay. If it will go beyond that, we are not certain yet, but that's a position that could attract price, okay. So if you are taking a sell trade, our TP1 has to be that supply zone, okay. And what else do you see happening here? Like I said, all your knowledge, very important for top-down analysis. Look at this. This is a bearish engulfing, though the candle has not closed yet, but it's looking like a bearish engulfing, which is extra confirmation that price would want to go lower, okay? So let's see what we have on M15. I like jumping from H1 to M15. I don't really use the M30 time frame. So let's go to M15. Okay. So on M15, what do we see happening? I can see a break of structure. Permit me to move this horizontal line to depict the break of structure, okay? Look at this low right here. This low was broken. This low right here was broken, okay? We had an high, then we had a low, then we had an higher high, then we had a break of the low, showing you that there's a change of character in the downward direction, okay? a candle broke and closed below that low, so price would want to go lower. Okay, so basically, how are you going to engage the market? How are you going to engage the market? You can step down to 5 minutes time frame if you would like to do that, or you can either wait to enter on a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, basically I can see a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap. I'm just giving you idea of how you can enter this market. I can see a bearish fair value gap forming here. Okay, I can patiently wait for price to retrace into this fair value gap, then I take a sell trade towards this zone. Okay, that's one entry model you can actually use to enter the market. Okay, there's also an order block right here which you could use to enter. Okay, let's go to the 5 minutes time frame to see if there is any clarity right there that we could actually take advantage of to refine our entry. You can see I have an order block right here. Let me mark my order block out. I have an order block right here. Okay, which price could retrace to, okay, before pushing violently in the downwards direction. So I'm just giving you an idea so you understand how you can actually do top-down analysis. So this is a more refined zone. You know, if I don't want to draw down at all, I will just take my what's it called, I'll just take my trade from this particular supply zone, sorry, this particular order block up here. I can just take my trade from there. Okay, you can see the order block clearly. All right, so I can take my trade from the order block in order for price to move in the downwards direction. I can take my trade from this order block, SL above the order block, okay, and trade in the downwards direction. Basically, if you got any value, please subscribe to the channel. Remember, you can now support the channel by clicking on the join button and joining the masters community. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.